Hi, my name is Leigh. We're looking at another song. It's called I'll Never Leave You. And it basically has two sections, and it's played in a 6/8. If you can look at the strumming here. I like to hit the bass string first. It leads you into the strumming. Okay, so let's look at the verse. We start in G. We go to B7th. Then we go to C, and then we play a D7th. I like to play my D7th over here. It's in the shape of C, or C7th. And then back to G, again to B7th, to C, and then to D7th. Then we go to E minor, to B minor, to C, and to D7th again, to E minor, to B minor, to C, and to D7th. Okay, simply the 6/8 strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the strumming. Here we go. Let's try that. I was raised in all the riches that this life has to give. Sat in the courts of Pharaoh that I knew I had to leave. Now in the barren land of Midian, I hear your voice so clear. From the bush that was burning, on the soles of my feet I draw near. That's the verse. And then it goes over into the chorus. Again in G. The song is played in the key of G, so we'll stay in the key. I'll never leave you in G. To E minor. To G. Minor, to C, back to G, to A minor, to E minor, to C. That's a nice little rundown. That's a G, a G with a B bass. To the A minor with a G bass. Sorry, that's a B bass, not a G bass, sorry. So, and to that nice D7th again. So here's the rundown. Just get this. If I retrial. And I've got a, I'm palm muting just on the bridge. Then, can you hear that sound? Until you hit. So you, and a full, nice, solid strum to end it with. So let's just look at the chorus. I'll never leave you, never forsake you. I pave the way for you to walk, and I share my plan with you. Though you suffer these stripes for a while, don't fear the fiery trial, for I am the invisible I am, always before you. And a dead stop, back into the verse. So let's do the last verse and into the chorus, because it speaks of the work Jesus did. I offered prayers and supplications with vehement cries and tears to Him who's able to save me from the cup of suffering that I feared. For the joy set before me, I endured the shame and the cross. My death and resurrection is the hope to all who are lost. I'll never leave you, never forsake you. I pave the way for you to walk, and I share my plan with you. Though you suffer these stripes for a while, don't fear the fiery trial, for I am the invisible I am, always before you. And then you start all over again. It's a song that never seems to want to stop, but you'll have to stop it somewhere by just ending on the G. Yes, that's it. Enjoy it. Nice 6/8. You can speed it up to some. We do a bit of a guma in there, but keep it at this nicely for the household meetings.